Okay, so this question is me who get wrong. Actually, it's actually very simple. So, how do you find the area of triangle Q? You know that the area of triangle P is 78 cm square and the area of triangle S is 87 cm square. So and the area of triangle P to the area of triangle Q is 2 to 3. So let me write down here. Area of triangle P Q is 2 to 3. That's the ratio. And the breadth of the rectangle is 15 cm, which is so find the area of triangle Q. So we know that area of triangle P is 78 cm square. So you know that 78 divided by 2 equals to 39. And then know that 1 unit equals 39, and then 3 unit equals to 117. So 39 times 3 equals to 117. So 17 centimeter. Okay, so remember to write our units over here. So answer 117 centimeter. So you just write a statement is the area of triangle Q is 117 centimeter square. Okay, so now we will proceed on to B, question B. So we know that P, Q, and S is 78 to 117 to 87 centimeters square. So now we need to find R and the ratio of R and T. So how do we do that? First, we take 78 plus 117. Okay, plus equals to 195. So now 195 equals to half a rectangle. Okay, so now you can see that this vertex and this part and this part will match down to this part, and this part will also come down to this part. That means when the vertex and the other vertex meet together, and the base, this part and this part and this part is at the same length, it will become half a rectangle. So you know that 195 minus 117 equals to 78 centimeters square. Then we do this. So we already know that R is equals to 78 centimeters square. Then we can find out what is triangle Q. Triangle T. How do we do that? Simple. 195 minus 78 minus 87 equals to equals to 30. Okay, so now we can find the ratio. Remember, the ratio is triangle R to area of triangle T. So R is 78 to 30. 8 to 30 equals to 13 to 5. So the ratio is 13 to 5.
Explanation. Maybe I will just elaborate some more. Okay, what he meant that if they all meet together, and then this thing here is the same, that means this and this is the same, right? And this, that means it means that this triangle, see this whole thing, this one is the same, and then when you connect them, this to here, this triangle arrow add triangle, because this vertex, when you connect to the base, add triangle, this Q is actually half of a rectangle. Okay, we can then now find the other half of the rectangle, because there are actually quite a few of relationship here depending on the vertex. Okay, so another very obvious half of the rectangle will be this whole thing here, because this is actually a straight line. This is actually a straight line. You can see that it says here, and then it means that P at Q is actually also half of a rectangle. Okay, then we have some more. Remember this vertex here? This and this meet also, and then their base is the same over here. Where I say, so when you are doing the connection, the base connect to the vertex here, which means it's triangle P, and then the base connect to the vertex here, which means it's triangle S, which means this means that P at S at T, because inside this whole triangle has T also, will be also half of the rectangle. This is very interesting. Okay, for his help.
Welcome.